everybody, welcome back. Yes, your eyes did not deceive you. I have a what's in my Ikea bag, or what's hidden in my Ikea bag. This is a reveal because I already unboxed it together with my live stream crew. You know, you gotta follow my live stream. I am doing live streams twice a week right now, and you get first dibs in a lot of things. So anyway, I have something in this Ikea bag, which I'm going to show you. I'm also going to do a very quick what's in my bag. I'll give you some measurements of this item here, and I'll also do some modeling shots. This is a very unexpected purchase. I bought it and I was trying to figure out how am I going to sneak this thing into the house without my husband knowing. So your girl's got some Ikea bags in the car. Can it fit a big black paper bag? Lo and behold, the Ikea bag fits perfectly. Okay, can you see it's perfectly aligned? Ikea bags are not only for grocery and buying your clothes and all that, it's great for hiding Chanel paper bag. So a little bit of story time. I bought this just before the price increase. My SA in Singapore called me and she told me that I could get one of these items. They weren't going to open up orders specially for people who are asking for it right now. It's just that I put in this request last year around September, October. I told her I wanted this item or another item. So I gave her like two things that I wanted, but they are seasonal pieces and you can't get them anytime you want. So anyway, she called me just before the price increase and she told me that they had one item coming in, and if do I want it? So, you know what? I'm not ready to buy this. Like I wasn't kind of like not prepared to buy it at the moment, but because I knew there was going to be a price increase, I said, you know what? Let's do it, because if I don't like it, I can always resell this item. Maybe. I don't know yet. What happened was she tried to get it for me because, you know, we were just talking over the phone, and Chanel doesn't have online, so they need to send me like some kind of online purchase request or something. So it was taking a bit of time, but in the end it got sold out. Another SA picked it up and that customer bought it, so I was really unlucky. But I was also on the way down to the shops because I wanted to check a price of an LV item, and I was thinking, maybe let's walk into Chanel in KL and let's see if they have anything. So I just walked in. I swear I don't know anyone in KL Chanel. I don't have any SA. It's just seriously like luck. Okay, I walked in and I just asked the SA, I said, do you have this item? He was like, let me check. He goes to the back and he was like, oh, I might have one upstairs. And I was like, are you kidding me? He goes upstairs, he brings it down. This is it. Now, I'm not going to do an irritating unboxing. If you want to see an irritating unboxing, you can go to my live stream because I was torturing the live streamers. I was doing this like, because it's live, right? You can't forward. But you guys can forward if you want to. Okay, so let me just straight away just take it out. So when he brought it out in the box, I swear, I was like, oh my gosh, ring it up. Okay, ring it up. Oh my gosh, it is really so pretty. Okay, revealing my new mini reissue with gold hardware and aged calfskin. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take out the tissue and you can just take a look. This is a seasonal piece, okay? It's so hard to get, and I could not believe he had one in store. Just, oh my gosh, just look at that. I love the 4 grommets. My friend Clara on YouTube, she's a big influencer for me to get this item. She said, 4 grommets, babe, it's amazing, 4 grommets. So it is a single flat mini. The stickers are still on it. I was thinking, should I peel it out? Should I not peel it? Because, you know, it was a really unexpected purchase. I wasn't really like looking for this item right now, though I did tell my SA, gosh, more than half a year ago, and I wasn't actually thinking it was gonna come out. It's kind of like a winter item or a fall winter item, and it is a brand new piece. I could not believe my eyes when he brought it out. So obviously I had to take it, and you know, if I decide not to keep it, I definitely think I am able to resell this item. I'm gonna sit on it for a few weeks, you know, just to admire it and then really decide if I'm going to keep it. All right, let me just show you what fits inside. I've got my Coach wallet. Now, my Coach wallet is very, very bulky, so I think it's gonna I think the whole, yeah, it's gonna take up all the space. It fits, but because my wallet is like super bulky. But if you don't have a lot of cards, I've got currencies and cards of 2 countries. This is my iPhone 6 Plus, so let me just put that in. As you can see, it fits perfectly inside and with a cover as well. So if you have any phone that is maybe slightly bigger, it'll also go in. So if you have smaller wallets, not something as big and as bulky. Look at how bulky my Coach wallet is. I am using this, okay? This is like my favorite wallet. So it will take up most of the space, but it doesn't mean it can't fit. It's a mini bag. So if you got like a card case, maybe your keys, definitely a phone, a lipstick and all, it does fit. And because it's this softer leather, you definitely can fill it up a bit more. But you know what? Don't go and overstuff your bag. It is a mini bag, it's like a going out bag, but I do like the fact that it has a bit of the reissue, like the double flap reissue look, but it's a single flap because it's a mini. Okay, I'm going to insert some mod shots so they can see how it looks like when worn. Just for reference, I am 165 centimeters and I am 5'4". I am of a moderate build, and this bag just looks amazing so many ways. You can wear it on your shoulders, you can make it into a crossbody, you can even wear it on the side. If you're very tall, you can wear this on your shoulder and it falls very comfortably. Personally, I won't wear it as a single strap along my just on my shoulder. I would prefer to wear it double strap. Now I know why people really raved about this mini reissue, because of the 4 grommets. It gives the bag a little bit more versatility. You can use it, like I said, doubling up the straps, and it just makes the bag look even more like a classic flap, right? You could do this and all. Unlike the mini rectangular, which has only the or double grommet, this has 4, which, you know, maybe they need to recreate the 4 grommets for these mini rectangular, because that can only be worn crossbody. But yes, absolutely love this. Now I will also insert some measurements. So anyway, that's my really quick review on this very unexpected purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, it will mean a lot to me if you give me a thumbs up for this video. It will help with the video, it will help with my channel, and subscribe if you want to, you know, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified as well. If you have any questions about this bag, just leave it in the comment section down below. If it's about usage, I might not be able to answer you yet, but you know, if I do decide to keep this bag, I will definitely use it and I'll definitely review it in the future for you. You know what? Let me get your feedback. What do you think about this bag? Do you think it is an amazing bag? Do you think I should keep it? Just let me know in the comment section. I would definitely read all your comments. So anyway, thank you for watching and take care everyone. I will see you in my next video. Bye.